Everybody, Ahmad here from Modifications, and today I have my W213, my E400 wagon here, 2018, and in this box right here, I have a spoiler, or sorry, a front lip is what I ordered. There's a few options that I found out there. Maxon makes one, there's a couple other really pricey ones, but then there's Amazon and eBay have a bunch of listings of very similar designs. There's two or three different designs that I've seen, and there's some companies that also rebrand them and sell them. So that's what I ended up with. I got it for $89, super cheap, so it's worth a gamble. This one is supposed to be designed for this car. However, the bumper verbiage and like the models and everything has been kind of confusing on this Mercedes. So I'm hoping that this fits, and we're gonna find out today if it fits. But that being said, I did buy the one with the fins on the side. I'm not a massive fan of those kind of front splitters, especially if the rest of the car is fairly stock. But mine hopefully won't stay stock for very long, so I think it'll be fine. And worst case scenario, I'm out $89, $90, and I can get the Maxton one if I really want. So anyway, let's get this unboxed and see what's in here. So I know this is a 3-piece because a lot of these cheaper spoilers are coming in 3 pieces. Comes pretty well wrapped. It does look like somebody opened this because there's fingerprints on it. But the cool thing about this is it actually has a bottom. So the other spoilers that I bought that are cheap like this, they're actually just hollow. They're all you see is this top frame. But the finish is really nice. It's got a really nice finish. So let's see if this works. So far so good. It kind of lines up with the ridges. And yeah, let's get the other parts unboxed. Yep, sits in the grooves right there. This is a nice piece. If this goes, I don't know how this would sit. Oh, it slides over. Okay. Jeez, I'm an idiot. I think what I'm gonna do is double side tape this. You can definitely tell there's a lot of orange peel on the gloss black, but it is what it is. You know, 80 bucks, I don't really care. So let me see what hardware comes with it. It looks like it comes with a bunch of 3M knockoff tape and some screws. Oh, so the side pieces screw in at the bottom. This is actually pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's nice. I don't know what the best way to do this is. Do I screw these on first so it's all one installation piece, or should I put the middle on and then tie these other pieces together? Basically, I think this is just like an adhesion promoter. I assume it's making contact all on this surface right here. So I'm gonna cut some thin strips with tape. It's never bad to do overkill. I don't think the tape is making any contact at all. Cool. I'm just gonna start screwing it in. Let's screw this in. Okay, so it is on, and it's pretty solid. Let's pull it out and see what it looks like.